Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best reindeer antlers is probably one of the most fun and festive ways to spread holiday cheer. Imagine cruising down the street, your truck transformed into a jolly reindeer, bringing smiles to everyone you pass. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the perfect set? In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know to make your truck the star of the season. Number 5. OxGord Rudolph Reindeer Antlers and Nose Kit. Get ready to deck your vehicle with holiday spirit. This kit is perfect for bringing joy to everyone during the Christmas season. It's a fun way to celebrate. This kit includes everything you need. You'll get 2 antlers with bells and ribbon, plus a bright red nose. It's a complete set to transform your car. The antlers are a great size, and the nose is just right. This kit is designed to fit all kinds of vehicles, from cars to trucks and SUVs. It's a universal fit. Installing this decoration is super easy. Simply clip the antlers to your windows and attach the nose to your grille. It's quick and simple, no tools required. Make this holiday season memorable with this festive decoration. It's a great gift or a fun way to personalize your own vehicle. Get ready to spread some holiday cheer. What we like. This kit offers a universal fit, making it suitable for almost any vehicle. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools, so you can quickly spread holiday cheer. If you have a variety of vehicles in your household or are looking for a simple, quick decoration, this is a great choice. What people say. They love to turn our minivan into a reindeer. We have used these for 2 years in a row and left them on for a little over a month both times, and they have not faded, ripped, or been blown off. We put ours on the front side of the windows on our sliding doors because we keep the windows locked so the kids can't roll their windows down, and it keeps it from being in the way or falling off every time the driver needs to roll down the window. Number 4. MOMONI Reindeer Car Kit, Christmas Decoration. Get ready to deck out your ride. This MOMONI Reindeer Car Kit is the perfect way to spread Christmas cheer. It's fun and easy to install. This kit includes everything you need: antlers for the roof, a red nose for the grille, and a tail for the back. It's a complete set to transform your car into a festive reindeer. Made with durable materials, this decoration is built to last. It can withstand various weather conditions, ensuring your car looks great throughout the holiday season. No matter your car type, this kit is designed to fit. Whether it's a sedan, truck, or coupe, it will add a touch of holiday magic to any vehicle. Installation is a breeze. No tools are needed. Simply clip the antlers to your windows, attach the nose to the grille, and tie the tail to the back. It's that simple. We guarantee you'll love this car accessory. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return it for a full refund. Get yours today and make this Christmas unforgettable. What we like. This set includes a tail, offering a complete reindeer transformation for your car. Crafted from durable materials, it's designed to withstand various weather conditions. If you want a comprehensive and weather-resistant decoration, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I have been driving on the freeway and around 70 miles per hour at max, and all parts stayed in place and held up perfectly. Held up during a downpour rainstorm driving as well. The antlers just clip onto the door windows. The nose was easy to attach to the grille with the supplied twist tie. Number 3. Just Bright Reindeer Antlers and Nose Car Kit. Spread Christmas cheer wherever you go with this festive car costume set. It's perfect for cars, trucks, vans, or SUVs. This is a great way to show off your holiday spirit. The brown plush antlers easily attach above your front door windows. Simply clip them to the window edges and raise the windows to secure them. The red nose attaches to the front grille. The set includes 2 18-inch tall antlers with plaid bows and cheerful bells, plus a 6-inch wide red nose. This car accessory set has everything you need to get into the holiday spirit. This holiday car decoration set is designed to fit most vehicles. Before installing, make sure to read all instructions and sizing information to ensure a proper fit. Decorate your vehicle and bring Christmas spirit on the road with you. This adorable reindeer car decoration is sure to bring a smile to everyone's face during the holiday season. What we like. This set features plaid Christmas bows and cheerful bells, adding a classic touch to your holiday decorations. Installation is straightforward, ensuring you can quickly get your car ready for the season. If you like a traditional look with easy setup, you'll love this one. What people say. Very cute antlers. Bows and bells are an added nice touch. They fit my 2016 Ford Fusion really well. It was super easy to put on and very durable. Number 2. Kooboe Reindeer Antlers Car Decoration Kit. Get ready to deck your car with holiday spirit. This kit features LED lights with 3 modes, fast flashing, slow flashing, and always on. The battery lasts for 72 hours, perfect for the entire season. The reindeer is a classic Christmas symbol, and this decoration adds a festive touch to any vehicle. It represents good luck and a brighter future. Make your car part of the holiday celebration. Setting up this decoration is a breeze. Simply clip the antlers to your windows, attach the nose to the grille, and tie the tail on the back. It's quick and easy to install. The kit includes two 17.45-inch antlers, a 5-inch red nose, and a 6.75-inch tail. It's designed to fit any car, and the durable materials can withstand all weather conditions. This car decoration is suitable for sedans, trucks, SUVs, and more. It's an ideal Christmas gift for friends and family, spreading holiday cheer wherever it goes. What we like. This kit includes LED lights with multiple flashing modes, allowing you to customize the look. The size is ideal for most vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit. If you want to add a bit of sparkle and personalization to your holiday decorations, this is the one for you. What people say. Super cute and easy to install. The lights are bright. The antlers are great, they just come bent from the mail, they look broken, but all you do is give them a stretch back up and they should look nice. I love the way they look. Number 1. Goodybuy Rudolph Reindeer Antlers and Red Nose Set. Christmas is coming. This adorable set will transform your car into a festive reindeer. It's the perfect way to spread holiday cheer. The set is easy to install. You can quickly attach the antlers and nose to your car. It's a hassle-free way to decorate for the season. Made with plush material, this decoration is soft and durable. It's designed to withstand the elements and last throughout the holiday season. The antlers are 45 centimeters tall, making them a noticeable and charming addition to your vehicle. It will definitely catch everyone's eyes. Make your car the star of the show this Christmas. This set is a fun and festive way to celebrate the holidays and bring smiles to everyone you pass. What we like. This set is made of plush material, giving it a soft and festive look. Installation is easy and quick. If you are looking for a simple, classic, and easy to install decoration, it is a great choice. What people say. I can say that these are very durable and they stand up to very strong wind and rain. I drive with them on the freeway and they still stand up strong. The antlers do move when you're driving, but they won't fall off. The red nose has a durable and flexible cord, and I tuck the excess in between the hole in the back of the nose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.